This is the classic Victoria sponge cake. It's very easy to do and is a great tasting cake. All you do is, with the all-in-one method, is pour all the ingredients into a bowl, mix them up and then split them between your baking tins and pop them in the oven. It's that simple. Personally, I like to leave the flour till the end of the process, so when you're folding it in, it keeps all the air entrapped into the cake mixture. This way, I think you get a bigger rise on your cake at the end of the day. And let's face it, we all want more cake. So give it a go and let me have your comments. 400 grams of soft unsalted butter and mix it thoroughly with 400 grams of caster sugar until they're light, fluffy and creamy. Whisk in 6 eggs, medium size, one at a time, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and then fold in 400 grams of self-raising flour, mixing gradually as you go along. Divide the mixture between 2 cake tins and smooth with a wooden spoon or a palette knife. Bake in the centre of the oven for approximately 35 minutes.